Welcome to the deep dive. Have you ever been in that meeting, fumbling with cables trying to get your laptop hooked up?
Oh, yeah. The classic Dumble scramble.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So today, this deep dive is for you if you face that. We're going tactical, really focusing on one specific bit of hardware meant to solve that exact problem.
Right. We're looking closely at the Kramer RTBUS-11 USB. It's basically a round multi-connection box that mounts right into your conference table.
A connection bus, yeah.
Exactly. It's designed to connect all that personal AV gear, like laptops, directly to the room's main system. Smooths everything out.
So our mission for you listening in is pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Cut through the jargon, get to the core details.
Correct.
What does it do? What are the specs? How does it fit in? The real utility. Okay, let's start with the physical side. The source calls it an elegant in-table solution. And the main thing you see is that pneumatic pop-up lid.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It is, right? It means when you're not using it, it just disappears flush with the table. No dangling cables, keeps the look clean.
And that clean design links to the install, too. It's not just about aesthetics. You need a specific hole cut in the table or podium.
Oh, right. The specs mention that.
Yeah, the cutout size needs to be between 92 and 95 millimeters in diameter. Precision matters there.
Okay, 92 to 95 mil. Got it. And it comes with some cable ties.
Yeah, 6 self-locking ties are included. Helps manage the cables underneath. Oh, and it's pretty light, too.
Oh, yeah. How light?
About 0.7 kilograms, so like 1.6 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Which is, good if you're putting it into maybe a lighter table or even a mobile cart. Less stress on the surface.
Good point. Okay, connectivity. This is where it gets interesting, right?
Yeah.
Especially for compatibility. What inputs does this thing actually have?
Right, this is key. It's got 4 main types. You have your standard modern HDMI.
Okay.
Then a 15-pin HD connector.
Hold on, 15-pin HD. That's VGA, right? Analog.
Exactly. VGA. Still kicking around.
Wow, okay. What else?
Also a standard 3.5 millimeter mini jack for audio.
Right, separate audio in.
And of course an RJ45 connector for network access.
Okay. HDMI, VGA audio network. That 15-pin HD, the VGA, that really stands out. Is that actually still needed? Feels a bit legacy.
Well, that's sort of the point, you see. While lots of places are HDMI only now, think about government buildings, maybe hospitals with older imaging gear, industrial controls.
Ah, okay. Long life cycle equipment.
Precisely. They often still rely on VGA, so this unit acts as a bridge, really. It connects that older critical stuff right alongside the newer HDMI devices. It handles that transition period.
That makes sense. So it's intentionally hybrid.
Yes. And those included cable ties. They become pretty important when you're managing cables for 4 different kinds of connections running into one small box.
Right. Okay, what about power? Does it need its own power?
It does. It takes a 110-volt AC power input, and this is important. It's noted as USA only.
Ah, okay. So not straight out of the box for international deployment then?
No, you'd need converters. The specs say 115 volts AC, 50-60 hertz, 5 amp max. Oh, and the actual power cord. That's optional. You have to buy it separately.
Good to know. An extra step there. What about the seller context? It's from HDTV Supply.
Yeah, HDTV Supply, Inc. Source says they've been around 24 years, certified since 2003, so established.
Okay. And the practical stuff. Price, availability.
Well, the list price, MSRP, is $220, but the site shows a today's price of $176. And crucially, it's listed as in stock.
In stock is good. Any warranty?
Yep, free shipping and a free 1-year Kramer warranty.
Okay. One more detail that caught my eye, particularly thinking about those government or institutional settings you mentioned. TAA compliance.
Ah, yes. Good catch. It's listed as TAA compliant. That means it meets the Trade Agreements Act requirements. So manufactured or substantially transformed in the U.S. or an approved country.
Which is absolutely essential for federal contracts.
And absolutely critical. Yeah. That detail can be make or break for certain procurements, far more than the sticker price sometimes.
So wrapping this up.
Yeah, to kind of synthesize, this Kramer unit isn't just a simple junction box. It's a piece of specialized infrastructure. Its real value is how it blends the legacy VGA support with the modern HDMI and network needs, all in a package that's discreet, installs neatly, and meets those important regulatory checks like TAA. It's built for the messy reality of tech transitions.
That adaptability seems key. Okay, here's a final thought for you, our listener. The specs list some pretty wide temperature ranges. Operating as standard, 0 to 40 degrees C, but storage, that goes from -40 all the way up to plus 70 degrees C.
Wow, yeah, that's a big range, -40 to plus 70 C.
Right. So thinking about that huge storage range, What kind of non-climate controlled places, maybe warehouses, shipping containers, are these things potentially sitting in before they even get installed?
Mhm.
And what does surviving that tell you about the actual physical durability of the materials used? Something to ponder for the full life cycle.